5 Gadget accessories you didn't know you need. In today's technological world, having gadget accessories has become necessary for many people. But do you know that the gadget accessories you end up utilizing are those you never thought you need? A few of these are highlighted below. 1. A robotic vacuum cleaner. You can agree that cleaning your home is one of the chores that you perform daily. Therefore, you require specialized gadget accessories like the iRobot vacuum cleaner to sort your home cleaning needs. The iRobot vacuum cleaner can map out your residence and find its way within the house to clean it effectively. 2. Cable management sleeve. If you're a tech-savvy individual, you might already be using different types of gadget accessories, except those you don't know you require. These gadgets come in handy if you're trying to tidy up and organize your home or office. 3. Vegetable purifiers. Can you imagine how many times the vegetable you're consuming changes hands before they get to you? Such vegetables often contain harmful particles and chemicals on the surface. Therefore, you require a vegetable cleaner to help you thoroughly clean them before cooking and consuming them. 4. A laptop power bank. Thus, a laptop power bank is one of the gadget accessories you didn't know you require. The gadget is highly portable, making it easy to carry along to your next business trip. Therefore, with this gadget accessory, you don't have to be worried about your battery running out. 5. Sanitizing equipment. As the COVID-19 pandemic continues to spread worldwide, you need to devise preventive strategies to enhance hygiene during this period. You might not have recognized that sanitizing equipment can come in handy to help lower the spread of the virus. Whether used at home or in public places, such sanitizing equipment contributes to managing the spread of the virus. Today, most sanitizing equipment comes with an integrated IR sensor to eliminate the need to touch while sanitizing yourself. Check the links in the description for details about each product. And please remember to like the video, comment and subscribe.